Hi, Alto.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I really like these. I've had one already.
I know.
And this is my second. Thanks for letting me have it.
No problem.
I won't give it back, though.
I know.
Because I eat it.
You do.
I eat the whole thing.
Some of them are just licking them.
Yep, nope, I'm an eater.
You are.
Yep.
It's peanut butter and apple.
I love peanut butter and apple.
I have some healthy dental ones over here, but no one likes them.
Let's just stick to these.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you hold it yourself?
No, but I can figure it out somehow.
You did the last one pretty good.
Yep.
So what's up?
So as you can hear, there's lots of stuff going on around here. I'd rather stay in here and have treats. They can have their time out there.
You can't be in here all day.
Oh, come on, why not?
Because it's fun out there.
But this is funner.
See, there's a little chihuahua out there that thinks it's tough.
Oh, well, does he know it's little?
Yeah.
Oh, and he still thinks he's tougher than that other dog?
Uh-huh.
Huh, that's funny.
It happens.
I wonder if he's ever had one of these treats.
I think it's because their brains are little.
Oh, that's not very nice.
Oh, sorry.
Do I have a little brain?
No, you have a big brain.
Oh, yeah, the border collie in me?
Yeah, I would say.
Yeah.
You guys are just cute.
We're cute and we're smart.
Mm-hmm.
And we like treats.
Okay, we gotta go.
Goodbye.
Bye.